Hello, I am Ashiqur Rahaman. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install Facebook Pixel on your Shopify website. So let's directly start from creating a Facebook Pixel from Facebook Business Manager. For this, you have to visit your Business Manager's business settings. So just click Business Settings and you will find Business Settings. It will open Business Settings now. After that, go to the data sources and pixels. Then you can add another website pixel, just clicking add. After that, you just need to name your pixel. So I recommend to write your website name. So let's click our website name, fashion. Okay, fashion website. It's a demo website, no problem. And now let's copy your website URL and then paste it. Then click continue. Okay. Now you can see the option set up the pixel now. Click here. After that, as we want to install Facebook Pixel by ourselves, just click manually add pixel code to website. Now it will provide you a Facebook Pixel code that will need us to install on our website. So let's leave as it is, leave this as it is, but you can save this on a notepad. So I just leaving this as it is. And now we have to go to our website. After that, Shopify backend or Shopify dashboard. After that, under the online store, let's click theme. After clicking theme, you need to go to the three dots. Just go to your website theme. Then just go here in the three dots. After clicking here, just click edit code. So it will open a code. No worries, you don't have to worry. Just go to the theme.liquid. After that, click this button. Sorry, just click on this name. After that, you have to, as Facebook directed us to install this code in this section /head. So just copy it. Now let's click any field and click. Sorry, just find the header function. Sorry, it is here. Okay, I can find it. Control and F or Command and F in Apple devices and paste the option. Now I can see that we have options to click next. Okay, I have find it. And before this section, I just need to paste the code. Just click here to copy and then Control V or paste it. I have pasted it successfully. Now click save. So I am done. Now just exit. Now we have to visit our website. So to check if it is working or not, click this button. So I am using this extension called Metapixel Helper. So this extension shows us if there is any pixel code or not. So as you can see, this is saying that there is a page view event and the pixel code is 737, and here is the pixel code. Okay, just click continue. I can show you. Just click cancel. So fashion website and 737, this is the code. So I think the installation has been installed perfectly. So it shows us that there is a pixel code and a page view event. This is a default event. Facebook basically provide this with the pixel code. So no problem, that is done perfectly. Thank you very much to watch this, to know more knowledge and get more tutorial like this. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.